Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency mining using your laptop. If you've ever wondered whether you can make a profit by mining crypto right from the comfort of your laptop, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is crypto mining? Crypto mining is the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network. Miners use their computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, and in return, they earn cryptocurrency rewards. But can your laptop handle the load? Mining basics. Before you jump in, let's cover the basics. Mining requires significant computing power, and laptops might not be the best choice due to limited hardware and potential overheating. Most serious miners use specialized rigs for efficiency. Risk and reward. Using your laptop for mining has its risks. Intensive mining can lead to increased wear and tear on your laptop components, reducing its lifespan. Also, energy costs may outweigh the profits, especially if electricity is expensive in your area. Software and pools. To mine crypto, you'll need mining software and join a mining pool. Mining pools are groups of miners who combine their resources for better chances of earning rewards. Make sure to choose a reliable pool and secure software. Tips for success. If you're still determined to mine with your laptop, here are a few tips. 1. Choose energy-efficient coins to mine. 2. Monitor your laptop's temperature to prevent overheating. 3. Use a cooling pad or external fan to keep your laptop cool. 4. Consider mining during off-peak hours to save on electricity costs. Bonus point. And now for the bonus point. Keep in mind that while mining on a laptop might not be the most profitable option, it's a great way to learn about the world of cryptocurrencies and how mining works. Plus, if you're lucky, you might stumble upon the next big coin before it takes off. To sum up, while mining crypto on your laptop might seem like a convenient way to earn some extra cash, it's important to consider the potential risks, costs, and rewards. Make sure to do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and always prioritize the health of your laptop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto-related content. Until next time.